is Miriam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In Betty Life, for today's video, we will delve into the topic of letting go of guilt and honoring your growth. There are moments in life when we start to reflect quietly, not out of anger, but from a kind of gentle exhaustion. When someone has supported us, truly helped us, we carry that with respect. But sometimes that support comes with shadows, expectations, guilt, subtle reminders of what we owe. And it's confusing because we're not trying to be ungrateful, we're just trying to breathe. It's okay to be thankful and still need space. It's okay to appreciate someone's role in your life and still choose to protect your peace. It's okay to say thank you for helping me, but I also need to grow in my own direction now. That's not ungrateful. That's honest. That's human. People will never understand that freedom isn't rejection. Needing your own voice doesn't mean you've forgotten who lifted you once. But for those quietly holding guilt on one side and growth on the other, just know this: you're allowed to honor both. You're allowed to say thank you and still choose peace.